we take content and turn it into advertising. We do it faster, cheaper, and better than anyone else. In fact, we reduce the cost of ad production to zero, which opens up the floodgates of media spend. For example, our AI crawler fetches content from Amazon.com. There are 1.9 million sellers on Amazon, and we fetch the content of the products they're selling, the artwork, the headlines, all that information, the ratings, the stars, and the price points, and even the A+ content. And our AI engine automatically turns those into high-quality, rendered carousel ads, ready to run in 2 clicks. This allows these 1.9 million sellers to run ads for as little as $10 and as much as $10,000. For Nissan and Harley and other dealership-based businesses, we get their inventory and we turn it into hyper-targeted ads and free posts. Every single vehicle becomes an ad. We also have really smart AI technology that turns multiple inventory items into grouped carousel ads too. We also take the OEM incentives and bind it into the artwork for the new vehicles. Again, this is completely automated, reducing the cost of ad production to zero. And we help retailers win back the digital trade funds that they've seen move across to Amazon. Retailers have a competitive advantage as they actually have physical stores in locations. And by helping their partner brands run ads through each one of these local stores in the digital world, these ads are customized to the location. These vendor brands experience a 60% or more drop in the media costs just through these localized ads around each retail store. Yes, that's 3 times the media for the same dollars, and a portion of that comes to the retail chains. Huge competitive advantage that they now have. In 3.5 hours, we can take an entire retail chain and build from it a local social retail media network. This is a retail media network that they own on digital platforms and social media sites, generating a very nice new revenue stream for them from their vendor brands while driving further store traffic. And while franchisors have traditionally expected to pay hundreds of thousands for a DIY ad builder, there's multiple different systems out there that are DIY ad builders. What everyone misses is that franchisees do not want to build ads. So our system, which costs them nothing, sends their franchisees a set of pre-built ads, but not just that. The ads are targeted as hyper-targeted campaigns, and in 2 clicks, they can buy them as ads, post them for free, and they automatically send to the media channels with the media bought, and the success results are sent every single week. It's changing the game for franchisors. So what makes our stuff so different to everyone else? Well, LiveRetail actually, there's 5 steps to succeed in a full end-to-end marketing process. Sadly, all of the competitors, even Canva, only focus on 1, maybe 2 of these steps. The steps are actually quite simple. We need to gather content. It can be the brand guidelines, the entities that we're advertising for, and the products they're promoting. The second step is we need to take this content and turn it into high-quality ads and posts that are on brand and legally compliant. Our creative matrix does this all automatically, creating thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of ready-to-run ads and posts. The third piece is we need to take this rendered creative, these ads and posts, and communicate, send them in other words, to the stakeholders. These could be franchisees, local financial advisors, it could be retail stores, it could be vendor brands. At the end of the day, it needs to get to them. That's done through rendered email that automatically goes to the stakeholders. And that provides them with a full checkout process. They can choose what to do with these ads. They can post them for free, buy these ads at $10, these campaigns that are hyper-targeted, or as much as 10,000, 100,000, etc. The fourth part is that we need to traffic these ads based on where these ads are being bought. Once again, the interface allows them just to switch on checkboxes. This is our own mini version of Trade Desk, and the ads are automatically trafficked to Facebook, Google, Instagram, X, and more. And finally, because there are so many different diverse systems, Meta, Google, we need to go aggregate the performance results to show the entity what is working. But we go out and we fetch the aggregate results, present them into a single report that is completely interactive, and that is emailed to the local entities that ran the ad every single week. Our typical results are around 200 to 300% higher than industry averages. Obviously, we've got the competitive advantage of AI helping us figure out the targeting, figure out the creative elements. The entire 5-step process has a lot of moving parts, but we've made it super simple, and no one else does it. Not even 2 of those components. Thank you very much for spending the time watching.